Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're back with another battery replacement video. Specifically, we're talking about Prius battery replacement. So if you own a Prius, this video is a must watch for you. We're going to be breaking down everything you need to know about Prius battery replacement, from costs to signs that your battery has gone bad or maybe going bad, all the way to debunking industry myths about battery replacement. Owning a Toyota Prius comes with great perks, such as amazing gas mileage, reduced emissions, and long-term savings. But like all vehicles, its key components wear out over time, such as its hybrid battery. Well, hybrid batteries can last anywhere from 8 all the way to 10 years, which equals out to around 150 to 200,000 miles. They do go bad. And how do you know when they go bad? Well, let's find out.
Code P0A80, meaning replace hybrid battery pack. What it means for your battery is failing and it needs immediate replacement. Code P0A7F, hybrid battery pack degradation. What it means for your battery's efficiency has dropped significantly. Code P3011 to P3024, battery block weakness. What it means for your battery? Specific battery blocks are weak and need attention. P3000. When this code appears, it can trigger multiple warning lights all at once. You'll likely see alerts from number 1, the engine control module, meaning your check engine light could turn on. Number 2, transmission control module, affecting how the car shifts. Number 3, the ABS system, so your brake warning lights might flash. And number 4, the HVAC system, which could impact your climate control. The next code is C1259, comes from the ABS system. It's basically saying, hey, there's a problem with the hybrid battery, and I need to adjust how the regenerative braking works. Another one is C1310, comes from the traction control system. It's doing the same thing, recognizing that the hybrid battery has an issue and adjusting the way the power is managed.
Now, for what all of you have been waiting for, what are some myths about Prius battery replacement? Number 1, the biggest myth is that you have to go to your dealer. While you may have bought your car from your dealer, you don't have to buy your battery there. Dealerships charge anywhere from 30 all the way to 50% more than Greentec Auto does. And why did they do that? Well, dealerships specialize in selling cars, not batteries. Another fact is dealerships all across the country buy batteries off us. Another myth, and this is one I see all over the internet nowadays, is module replacement. Now, you may ask, what is module replacement? For example, in a 2015 Toyota Prius, there was 28 of these modules inside of the battery pack. Now, some may say you just need to replace the bad module or the ones that are bad. The problem with that is if one of these are bad, the rest of the battery pack is on the verge of going bad as well. And on top of that, you'll be playing whack-a-mole for months or even years on end until you finally decide to replace the whole battery pack. I'll provide another example for you. This is my TV remote. Now, 2 days ago, the batteries went bad inside of it and I couldn't use the remote. So when I went to go look around my house for some new batteries, I only had one brand new one to replace it. So I took one out of the 2 bad batteries outside of it and put a new one inside, and I will say the TV remote was back to normal and did work, but only for a few hours until the TV remote went bad again. This is exactly the same as battery replacement. And for those of you who are wondering, our warranties start at 12 months and go all the way up to 48 months, and we service the Prius Prime, the Prius Plug-in, the Prius C, and the Prius V, as well as your standard Priuses. If you're seeing warning signs or error codes on your Prius battery, don't worry. Greentec Auto has 13 years of experience in Prius battery replacement and 32 locations across the United States. More than likely, one of them is near you. So, if your hybrid battery has gone bad and you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and accessible solution, Greentec Auto has you covered. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos like this.